How to install WorldRemit money transfer app, send money worldwide. So just tap get and then you'll be able to install it with double click. So worldwide money transfers. This is one of the alternatives for MoneyGram, PaySend, Tria money transfer. Your money gets home in minutes. Of course, you just need to select one app which you like. There are a bunch of apps, and yeah, you can just accept that. And then you just can create an account. You can just register. You can apply a referral code. So here you can see the list of countries where you can actually create your account. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So you can use it in US, UK as well, New Zealand and European countries. Here, if you have already a referral code, you can just enter it. So yeah, that's the process.